Hi everybody, it's Lynn. I want to welcome everybody to my channel and especially all of the new subscribers. Thank you guys for being here. I love doing this for you and I hope you do get some inspiration out of it. If you don't learn a new technique, at least maybe something will strike your fancy that you want to make for yourself. Today, we're going to make a little bracelet with links. Now, I haven't done this yet, so I'm not sure how many of these links we're going to need, how many beads we're going to need. So we're just going to kind of do a little design on the fly here. Okay, well, what I've done is I've pulled out these flower links. You guys may recall I got these from TEMU, and it came in a pack of 10. So, needless to say, I have more than I need. So, I thought I would put some together and see how it looks as a little bracelet. So I've cut some 22 gauge wire and I'm gonna just do some wrapped loops here and just kind of put this together as we go. So I'm gonna start out putting these two tube beads on a center flower, and we're gonna go from there. So I'm just doing wrapped loops, and we're gonna assemble with jump rings because I think it hangs nicer. You know, it lays nicer when you have jump rings instead of wiring the loops directly together. It's just my thoughts. I mean, it's more secure if you wire them together, that's for sure, but I like jump rings on it. So I pulled out some 4mm stainless steel jump rings, and that's what we're going to use to put it together. And I'm sorry I didn't show y'all what I was doing there. I'll show you on the next one. Just kind of got away from me. And you guys, these are scrap pieces of wire that I'm using. They're where I've saved pieces from one thing or another, and just going to use them up in a little project like this. Tucking the tail in. Okay, and then I want my loops to go the same way. All right, there's one. Okay. Get another piece of wire, and to wrap the loops, what I'm doing is I'm bending my wire like so, moving my pliers, my round nose pliers, kind of to that corner. And I bring the wire up and over and around to the back. Whoops, I messed that one up. That's all right, we fix it. Okay, once you have it like that, you can just wrap it with your fingers. Or if you prefer, you can use pliers. Certainly nothing wrong with that if it helps you out. Okay, I usually do three wraps if I can. And I'm cutting off the excess wire. And where that little sharp edge sticks out, I'm going to just tuck that down. Okay, then we put our bead on and do the same thing. Kink your wire over your round nose pliers, reposition kind of to the corner, come up and over, turn your pliers around and take it onto the back, and then you can wrap. Okay, cut off your excess wire. Whoops, I just threw my bead away. You love my little trash can? Isn't that cute? Okay, sorry about that, y'all. I had to go fishing for my piece. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and put this together a little bit because I'm not sure how many I'm going to need for length. So like I said, these are some little 4mm stainless steel jump rings. I'm going to put my flower on, put the link on, close my jump ring real good. And the trick I use is I feel that jump ring, and if I can't feel anything rough, then I know I most likely have a good connection. Take another jump ring and put the other one on the other side. Close him up real good. Okay. And you see that gave us a lot of length already, so we're going to have to kind of be careful. I'm going to go ahead and put another flower on each side and see where we are with length. Okay. Now here you'll have to make sure that you get them facing the same way, otherwise you'll have to take it apart and turn one around. Okay. See, that's what I just did. Look at that. Y'all, I am losing my ever-loving mind. I thought I was paying attention. Guess I wasn't. What is going on here? Oh, I see. They're twisting inside the tube. Goodness. Well, that wasn't as easy as I thought it was going to be. Okay, let's see if we got it now. There we go. Okay, now as you can see, we already have a good bit of length there. So let's see where we are. Okay, we're already at 5 inches. So I pulled out these little 6mm blue glass beads and just did a loop on them. So I'm going to start adding a couple of these and see where we wind up, because I don't think we have room to put another flower on. If we do, it's going to get real crowded. Plus, I pulled out a toggle clasp to use as the closure on this one, and I want small beads towards the toggle so it's got, room to close and everything. So let's put one on the other end, and then we'll measure our length again. Oops, little rascal. Because our toggle is going to take up some room, so we have to account for that with, adding jump rings and the length that the toggle is going to add. It's real easy to get something like this too long. Okay, I think we probably need to add 2 more of the blue beads, so we'll wire wrap them real quick. Put one on each end, and I think we're there. Up and over. Take it to the back and wrap. Okay. Cut and tuck. Okay. Little round bead. Kink your wire. Move your pliers. Come up and over. Turn your pliers around. Take it to the back and then wrap. Okay. Well, okay. Tuck him in. Go ahead and put him on. One more. Grab your wire, kink it, move your pliers, come up and over, move your pliers, take it to the back, and wrap. Snip off our excess and tuck our tail. Okay, add our bead and wrap the other end. Kink it, move your pliers, up and over, turn your pliers around, take it to the back, and wrap. Okay. Tuck our tail. Grab another jump ring, put him on. Okay, let's see what we got now. Okay, look at that. That is perfect. So grab a jump ring. Let's put on our clasp. And see, I had a little flower, so I thought that would be cute with this. Little flower toggle. Most likely came from Beadbox Bargains. Okay, there's that end. Get our toggle bar on, close it good, and we have our bracelet complete. Look at that. Cute. This is a great little summer bracelet. I'm going to have to take some links off. It's too big. Yeah, it's too big. Look at that. I'll have to take one off, but that's okay. But anyway, that's how you do it, guys. So if you have a bunch of links that you're not sure what to do with, this is a great way to use them. Just make yourself a cute little bracelet. All right, guys. Well, I hope you enjoyed that. I know it was really short and a real simple design. But sometimes those simple designs come in handy. If you have a top or something that you want a piece of jewelry to go with, you can just take your stuff out and make yourself one real quick. It's easy to do, as you see. All right, well, I hope y'all have a great rest of your day and a great rest of your weekend. It's Sunday morning. Um, Take care of yourselves, and I'll see you in the next video, okay? Bye-bye.